Hey everyone, Merry Christmas. Also, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, this video I am sharing with you guys something I created. It was just an easy, quick recipe I made up, and I decided to call this the Grinch, Mr. Grinch Eggnog. So it's a matcha latte eggnog. So first thing I'm starting off is making the whip on top, the whipping cream. That's all you need is like some whipping cream. You can also buy it, like Cool Whip or anything. And if you add vanilla extract to this, it tastes just like Cool Whip. So you can also just make, buy it or make it, depends on how you want to. Or you can get Wet Whip, even better and easier to deal with. Now just add just a drop just so I can mix it, and then it tastes just like Cool Whip. Then next step, I'm gonna get my glasses and pour just some water, some water in there just to thin out the eggnog because it's super creamy, and also getting ready to mix my ingredients together. So you want the matcha latte mix, any kind of matcha that you enjoy, and then you just want to add just a little bit. I just add like three scoops because it really brings more of a green look to it. But then when you add your eggnog, the green lightens up. So yeah, just scoop that in there, and then next I'll be adding cinnamon for the good flavor and the holiday flavor also as well. Just a little dash. And also I went ahead and added some vanilla extract. Mix that on up, and then once it sets, you can add your eggnog. I also didn't show, but in this part, before I added the whip on top, I also put this in the freezer to let it stay set more, because it's more whipped up when it's in the freezer. Yeah, and then I just put some on top. I didn't put it in like any type of bag, but you can, a piping bag or anything, or if you buy the Wet Whip, to make it look more aesthetically pleasing. And then I'm just putting on top some sprinkled candy cane, peppermint kind, so it can be more of a holiday festive theme. And also it's the Grinch colors, white, red, and green. And I'm gonna show you guys a closer effect once I'm done. Also, you see my mug, I just got that not too long ago, single all the way. It's super cute, and then I decided to drink out of that mug first. And yeah, so here is the topping. I already drank out of that, but here's a closer look, and that is it for this video. Hope you all enjoy. Please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and if you try this out, please comment the results and how it tasted. And I hope you all enjoy. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas. Bye.